Hi everyone, this is Easy Math. In this video, we are going to see class 6, chapter 2 Algebra, in which we are going to do the exercise 2.1. In the previous video, we have seen about the introduction of algebra. So we have learnt what are variables, what are constants, and what is an algebraic expression, and what is an algebraic equation. Now, just using these four basic concepts, we are going to do these exercises, okay? Now, first one is the letters A, B, C, etc., X, Y, Z are used to represent what? What do these letters represent? English alphabets? They represent the variables. variables. Variable means they change the value. They take different values for different sums at different situations. Okay. So the letters are used to represent variables. Second one, the algebraic statement. You have tried the algebraic statement. That is an expression for f decreased by 5. What do you mean by decreased? Decreased means it is less. It is decreased, less. It has become, the value has become less. Okay, so less means what is a decrease? Less means what we should do? Subtract. F decreased by 5. So f decreased means minus 5. Just we replace the word decreased by the minus sign. That's all. We get an algebraic expression. F decreased means minus and 5. So it is f minus 5. Okay, now the algebraic statement of s divided by 5. See, write s divided by means division sign 5. So simple to change the expression into an, statement into an expression, algebraic expression. Yes, as it is. Divided means division sign. Decreased means minus sign. Divided means division sign. 5 as it is. So this s divided by 5, we can write it also as s by 5. Because fraction means it is division. S divided by 5 is same as s by 5. Okay, next. If A's age is n years now. Now, what is the age of A? A is one student like you. The name is A. A's age, his age is now n years. 7 years ago, A's age was. Ago means before. Ago means before. Okay, before 7 years, what was his age? Now he is n. So before 7 years, he was 7 years young. Before means you have to subtract. Ago means before. Subtract. After means you have to add. So before is n. Now he is n. So ago means minus. N minus how many years? 7. N minus 7. Okay. Now, if p minus 5 gives 12, then p is, just think, p in the place of p will put dash. Dash minus 5 gives means is equal to 12. So what number minus 5 gives you 12? From what number you have to subtract 5 so that your answer is 12. So we have learned this already. For every subtraction sum, we can write an addition sum. For example, suppose if you are having 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, then 3 plus 5 will give you this 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, then this answer 3 plus 5 gives you 8. That is the addition fact for the subtraction sum. 3 plus 5 will give you 8. So same way here, what is it? We have to find the first dash. So dash minus 5 is 12 means how to find this number? 12 plus 5. This 12 plus 5 give you this 17. So 12 plus 5 is 17 and the value of P is 17. Okay, next is true or false. Look at the question. You have given a diagram of a pencil. A drawing of a pencil is given. The total length of the pencil is a centimeter. You can see that red line from this point to this point. The total length is a centimeter. And here the green marking is done. This shaded portion, this green shaded portion is 6 centimeter. This is the sharpened portion. The sharpened portion is named by B. You sharp it, no? So after sharpening, this is the part we have, that is B, and full is 6. After sharpening, the remaining pencil is 6. Now the question is the length of the part B. Part B is from here to here. This white color is B. So what is this? Full is A and this much is 6. So how to find the leftover portion? Total length minus the length whatever we have. So it is A minus 6. It is given A minus 6. So this is true. Next, if the cost of an apple is X and the cost of a, banana is rupees 5, then the total cost of fruits, both the fruits is X plus 5. How to find the total cost? You have to add the cost of apple and the cost of banana. What is the cost of apple? It is x and the banana is 5. So the total cost is x plus 5. So x plus 5. This is also true. 10 more to 3 times C. 10 more. More means what we should do? We should add. We'll write the answer and then we'll compare with the given answer. 10 more means we have to add 10. To which number we have to add 10? 3 times C. What do you mean by 3 times? Times means it is multiplication. 3 times C means 3C. Times means 3 times C is 3C. 4 times X means 4X. 7 times Y means 7Y. Times means it is multiplication. So 3 times C means 3 into C. That 3 into C is only 3C. So your correct answer is 10 plus 3C. What is given? 10C plus 3. So this is wrong. Next one. If the cost of 10 rice bags is rupees T, then the cost of 1 rice bag. Look at it, it's an ordinary word problem. We know for 10, you have to find for 1. We know for many, you have to find for 1. So many to 1 is division. That is T divided by 10. That is what given here. T by 10 means T divided by 10. So this is also true. Next, the product of Q and 20. What do you mean by product? Product means multiplication. Of Q and 20, you have to multiply 20 and Q. That is Q and 20 means Q into 20. Q into 20 is nothing but 20Q. When you are writing the algebraic expressions, this plus, minus, division, all these 3 signs we put. But only the into sign, if there is no sign between a number and the letter, that is constant and a variable, the operation is multiplication. So Q into 20 is nothing but 20Q. We'll see some more example. 4 into X means it is 4X. 5Y, what is the meaning of 5Y? It is 5 into Y. So same way, Q into 20 is 20Q. And next one is an interesting one. Draw the next 2 patterns and complete the table. So what is given first diagram? You are given a circle, 1 square and 2 triangles. Only 1 figure is given. And the second one, same figure 2 times. Then the same figure 3 times. So what will be the fourth one? Let's say the 1 time, 2 time, then 3, then we have to draw 4. This is the fourth one. Fifth one, we have to draw 5. So in the first pattern means the first one, how many squares, how many circles, how many triangles. How many squares are there? 1 square. And how many circles? 1 circle. And how many triangles? 2 triangles. Okay, second pattern. In the second figure, how many squares? 1, 2 squares. And how many circles? 1, 2 circles. And how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. Right? Okay, look at the third pattern. There are 3 figures we have. How many squares? 1, 2, 3. And how many circles? 1, 2, 3. And how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. Okay. Now fourth pattern. We have drawn the fourth pattern. We have to draw like this. The same figure we have to draw 4 times. So how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now fifth pattern, we have to draw 5 times the same figure. Count how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. And how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles are there. This is the pattern. Okay. Look at the next one. Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. What do you mean by younger? Younger means this is less. Older means we have to add. Younger means it is less, we have to subtract. Older means it is more, we have to add. So younger means you have to subtract. Okay. To his father. Write Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. In terms of his father's age. So let us take the father's age is X. So Arivalagan is 30 years younger. Younger means you have to subtract. So subtract 30 from the father's age. Let us take the father's age as X. So Arivalagan is X. Younger means minus. How many years he is younger? 30 years. X minus 30 is Arivalagan's age. Next, if U is an even number, how would you represent? What is an even number? Numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. Okay. If U is an even number, how would you represent the next even number? Suppose if 2 is an even number. Which is the next even number? After 2, 4. Next even number 6. Next even number 8. How are we getting? With 2, you add 2, we get 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So if the number is u, the next even number is u plus 2. By adding 2, we get the next even number. The previous even number, previous means which comes before. So come backward. From 8, how do you get 6? 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So when you come backward, it is subtraction. So it is u minus 2. Next means the next number move forward plus 2. Previous means the previous number which comes before. So to get the before number, you have to subtract 2. So it is u minus 2. Next one, express the following verbal statement into algebraic statement. So we are given a verbal means it is given in words. We have to write it as a mathematical algebraic expression. Very simple one. T is added to 100. T as it is added. What is the symbol of addition? Plus 100 as it is. That's also simple, isn't it? T plus 100. Next. 4 times. Times is what we have learned. Times means into. So 4 into q. That's all. We got the answer. 4 into q. And we know this multiplication sign usually we don't write. 4 into q means it is 4q. Okay, but addition, we cannot leave this addition. T plus 100, we cannot write T 100. Then it will become multiplication. Plus, minus, division, by, all this we put. Only when this multiplication, just to avoid confusion between x and multiplication symbol, we don't put that into sign. So 4 into q is, we can write it as 4q. Okay, then 4 less to 9 times of y. Less means subtraction. We have to subtract 4 from which number? 9 times. What is times? Means into. So 9 times y means 9 into y. What is 9 into y? 9y. Less means subtraction. What we have to subtract? 4. So 4 less to 9 times y. And when you are writing subtraction, the order is very, very important. It is not 4 less than 9 times y. 4 less 2. That is from 9 times y, we have to subtract 4. So 9y minus 4. Question number 7. Express the following algebraic statement to a verbal statement. Now it's the reverse of the previous one. Here we were given the words were given. We wrote the algebraic expression. Oh, algebraic expression is given. We have to write the statement. What is it? X divided by 3. Yes, you write in words. X, how do you read this division? Divided by. X divided by 3. That is the statement for this expression. What is this? 11 plus 10x. 11, addition means what is the word for plus symbol? Added to. 11 added to 10x means it is multiplied. X is multiplied by 10. What do we say for multiplication? Times. 10 times x. 11 added to 10 times x. And look at this last one. 70s means 70 is multiplied by s. So 70 times s. For multiplication, we put times. 70 times s. Okay, and next one, question number 8. The teacher asked 2 students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement. Verbal means which is given in words. Algebraic means we have to write it in using numbers and letters. 8 more than a number. What do you mean by 8 more? More means addition. A number, we don't know that number. So let us take that number as x or y or a or b, a to z. You can use any letter for a number which we don't know. A number, it can be any number, we don't know that number. So from a to z, you can use any letter. I'll take it as x. 8 more. More means what we should do? Add. Less means subtraction. More means addition. So 8 more than a number means 8 plus x. So Vetri wrote 8 plus x. But Maran wrote 8x. Who gave the correct answer? Yes, it is very clear. Vetri gave the correct answer. Who gave the correct answer? Vetri's answer was correct. Next is, if g is equal to 300, the value of g is 300. What is the value of g minus 1? What is g? G is 300. So it is 300 minus 1. What is 300 minus 1? When you subtract 1 from 300, we get the previous number. That is the predecessor, which is 299. G minus 1 is 299. And what is g plus 1? G plus 1 is 300 plus 1. When you add 1, we get the successor, the next number. What comes after 300? 301. Okay. So g minus 1 is 299, g plus 1 is 301. And look at this. What is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? What is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? The answer is you should get 30. So 2s means 2 into some number minus 6 should give you 30. So what number minus 6 gives you 30? What number minus 6? Answer should be 30. So we know 36 minus 6 will give 30. So 2 into what number gives 36? 2 into 18. So in the value of s is what? 18. Value of s is 18. 2 into what gives you 36? So 2 into 18. 2 into 18 is 36. 36 minus 6 is 30. So the value of s is 8. Next one, complete the table and find the value of k for which k minus 3 gives you 5. Okay, so here k by 3. K by 3. So minus k divided by 3. See, k is 3. K by 3 means 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. The value of k is 9. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 12 divided by 3. Tell 3 tables. Will you get 12? 3 4s are 12. 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 18 divided by 3. 3 6s are 18. Okay. Objective type. Okay, first one, variable means that it can take only a few values, has a fixed value, can take different values, can take only 8 values. We know what is a variable. It can take different values. The number of days in W weeks. In 1 week, there are 7 days. So in W weeks, there are 7 W days. Next one, the value of y in y plus 7 equal to 13. Y. What plus 7 gives you 13? Yes, 6 plus 7 gives 13. So y is equal to 6. Option B is the correct answer. Next, 6 less to n gives 8. 6 less to n. So 6 less to n means we have to, less means subtract from n. N you subtract 6 gives means the answer is equal to 8. So n minus 6 is equal to 8. Here we have the first option. N minus 6 is equal to 8 is the correct option. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this exercise. It's a very simple one. We'll see the next chapter in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.